Magic Tree Services are magic and guarantee the best rates in Sydney. For all residential, strata, commercial and industrial applications, just snap your fingers for a free quote. Take this job for example. Within a few hours, these two large troublesome trees had to be professionally removed from the front of this very busy townhouse strata complex. That's trimmed, cut down, pulped, stump grinding and clean up all within a matter of hours. Now that's magic. Our OH&S compliance services include 7-day emergency call-out, tree removals, tree trimming, block and land clearing and stump grinding. We also provide wholesale leaf mulch, tree maintenance agreements, conservational educational information and recycling services. Our certified professional operators get the job done fast. And our tree loppers are just magic to watch in action. Call us now for a free quote. Just snap your fingers and we'll be there. Magic Tree Services are magic and guarantee the best rates in Sydney.